looking at the camera, but like I kind of keep forgetting it's there, in the sense of like it doesn't really get in my way, which is good. You wouldn't want something to get in your way. That would be pretty annoying. Intrusive thoughts want me to go straight into the new garage, but it's not open yet, so we'll go around. I can like look at I'm making hella weird ass faces because I keep forgetting it's there. Oh man. Bar. It's the 2020s tumbleweed, the mask. Tank. I thought I was running low for some reason. Oh. Now I can't see the screen of the camera because of the glare, but I'm curious to see how long this battery's gonna last. Because I know my GoPro, depending on the setting, probably get like 35, 40-ish minutes. I told you I'd come by.
I just got him this 360 camera. He's been wanting one so bad. Is it recording right?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's recording. You just gotta test it out, right?
Do you like it?
So, I mean, I haven't looked at the footage. Yeah, just testing it out.
Can you see it on here?
Yeah. Well, I don't think it's... Tap the screen.
Huh?
Tap the screen with your finger. Other finger. The non-gloved finger.
Jesus Christ.
Tap it twice. Okay. Well, it's recording because the light's blinking.
Okay.
But
That's so fucking weird. You can't see this part
no.
at all?
Yeah.
So it records you and out here?
Yeah. Well, I've got both cameras running in unison. This one's got the better microphone, so when I do make videos, I'll cut the audio on this.
Yeah.
And I'll just do the audio from the camera, but...
Where are you going?
I don't know, just...
Around?
Yeah. Testing out the new mirrors, too, so...
Yeah. Alright.
We'll see how they are on the freeway.
I'm glad
Alright.
you like it.
Yeah, thanks. Alright, see ya.
Alright, love you.
Bye. I really can't see behind me with these mirrors. I mean, it's maybe because they're so low. I don't know. I mean, I can still take my like body parts out of the way. Here you go. Oh. Okay, well, doesn't look like it's coming loose yet, which is good. I still have my wallet. Mirrors are buzzing a little bit. It's not awful. They're not unusable, that's for freaking sure. You know, what if I just... Okay, there we go. What is flapping? I can hear something flapping. I don't know. I can't tell. So I guess, yeah, mirrors aren't bad. They buzz a little bit, but they're not unusable, which is good. They were like 15 bucks. So I mean, honestly, I think that's worth it. $15 for these mirrors. They look better than stock. And they look better than stock, and they work okay. I mean, head checks are king, you know, when it comes to riding, but it's mostly just to see behind me, honestly. It's probably the zipper smacking against the camera mount. I mean, maybe. Could be, could not be, who knows. Oh, and then another thing that's gonna suck when editing comes out, or when it comes around to editing, God, I can't. When it comes around to editing, is getting the video footage to match up. Because the audio is just going to come from the GoPro, which, you know, is fine. This is going to have the better audio anyways, but getting the 360 footage and the GoPro footage to match up, that's going to be interesting. Let's take Stony Point and take the long way back. Look at that, 82. I kind of want to listen to music now. Maybe I should. But I'm going to start playing some copyrighted music, and then it's going to mess up the audio. Or it doesn't really mess up the audio, it just prevents me from being able to monetize the video, I think. Question mark? I don't know, honestly, for sure. I gotta stop adjusting these mirrors when I'm like trying to like tuck. Oh, there we go. That's it. Because my left side's my strong side as far as head checks. Because I like keeping my hand on the throttle. So if I, do a full head check, I'd rather use my left mirror for reverse. Was that a Himalayan? I think it was a Himalayan. That was cool. We'll watch the footage and see. I kind of want to put the camera a little higher next time so it's within my, wait, what do you mean next time? I could just do it now. There we go. Get it like, there we go. Now I sound like an idiot because I'm rambling on. Miles, dude. Since this thing got fully broken in, I haven't ridden it at all. I just like rode it every day, got it fully broken in, giving this camera too, fully broken in, and then just kind of like, nah, I'm good. I'm done with riding motorcycles for a minute. Oh, I should have put the throttle lock on. Dang it. That would have been cool. I need to put the thing back on before I run out of my return window runs out. That's actually kind of nice. I do have to move my shoulder a little bit. The farther out the mirrors go, the better. So, I mean, I don't know. I might find something else. I really put these on the Bolt, but I don't know. I think the Bolt needs something a little more semi-round shaped. I'm gonna go. Oh god, I'm good. This thing isn't braking. I mean, not that the R3 had bad brakes, but this thing's brakes just fight. I mean, oh man. I need to get in the habit of not cussing on my videos because I always go through and edit it out just because, I don't know, I feel like it, okay? Jeez. I feel like editing out the curse words out of my videos because I don't feel like they're that appropriate sometimes. I mean, honestly, if you cuss a lot, it just shows that you have don't have a very diverse vocabulary. That's what I believe, at least. Believe what you want. I don't care. I'm so glad I rode today. This is something. We've got I think it was a high of 73. I think it was 73. But if this is 73, then oh man, this is nice. We had nothing but high 90s, low 100s last week, so this is a breath of fresh air, Mr. Sheriff. You don't speed, you don't get pulled over. It's easy. Unless you want to do dumb stuff and then, well, stupid, but it means something to me. It's cool. I wonder if it's starting to unscrew itself. It looks like it's starting to turn a little bit. Maybe I turned it when I tried to extend the pole. Let's see if it'll start playing music if I just turn it on. Okay, we're connected to Bluetooth. Is it gonna play that YouTube video I had on earlier? Okay, let me see if Bixby works, because Bixby never wants to work. Open Spotify. Open Spotify. Okay, maybe not. Oh, see, now it wants to... Okay. Maybe not. Maybe music can wait. Yeah, oh well. Oh, roll-on power, too. This thing just... Once it gets in the power band, it starts to get away from me a little bit. I mean, it gets away from me, sort of. I'll probably watch that back and I just go like, oh. I guess, okay, that gives me kind of a chance to talk about this bike. I love this bike. It's a 23 Kawasaki Z900 ABS. Well, the ABS is kind of given. I don't think they sell it without ABS. Maybe they do. I don't know why you'd want it, unless you're, I don't know, taking it to a track or something like exclusive. But I really like it. It's got plenty of power. If you want to take it easy, you can take it easy. It stops straight. It gets off the line super quick. It's a little heavy for what it is, I guess. I mean, you can get inline 4-cylinder 600s or liter bikes that weigh quite a bit less. This thing, I think, wet weighs 460-ish pounds, which is like 90 pounds heavier than my R3, but still, let's see, math, 40, like 80 pounds lighter than the Bolt, but this thing's weight is a little bit higher up, just because of the style of the bike. Sport bikes carry the weight a little bit higher. Maybe that's not true, maybe I'm just talking out my ass, but that's what I remember hearing anecdotes about, at least. You know, I mean, and cruisers are lower in general. The Bolt is definitely lower than the Z900. And yeah, it's a little heavier than most bikes, you know, in this engine size or this power range. You know, R1s are what? A little over 400 pounds, 420 pounds ish. So that's a little heavy, but I mean, once you get moving, you don't feel it. I don't feel it. It doesn't feel heavy when I'm moving, you know. It's really not bad. But when you stop, yeah, I feel it. And my legs are short. But this thing's seat height isn't bad compared to, you know, like the leader race bikes, 600 race bikes. Yeah, the MT-09. This thing's seat height is pretty low for what it is. And that's something that means that's something that's pretty important to me, you know? Because I am short. Mike 5'4". My inseam is a very short number. I don't know how many inches. I doubt it's you know, more than 29. Honestly, it's pretty short. When I wear jeans, I usually get a 30 length. 20. If they have 29, I'll take 29, but it's not very common. You're gonna buy that Gladiator. See, I forgot what I was talking about. I need to reset that shift light. I set it to go off at 6 because of the break-in period. I'm past that now. I can make it a little higher. Maybe do like 8. I still don't want to go. Hello, motorcycle, whatever that. I could not tell what that was. Spend an exorbitant amount of money on a 30-year-old Tacoma, now's the time. Oh my god, I'm just rambling on about it. Oh dude. I noticed how I said I do a lot of head checks, and then for the rest of the video I proceed to exclusively look at my mirrors. I'm not exclusively, I'm still doing head checks, just allergies are not bad today. That's one thing. Pollen is down, which has been really nice. I feel like it gets over 80 degrees and it's just, I mean, even yesterday and the day before, both those days weren't that bad, thankfully. That's battery life. Oh, really? No. It's not even at 50% yet. And I bet this GoPro is like almost dead. This thing can only record about 2 hours of video on the 128 gig card though. So I'll just have to get a bigger one. Oh no. Oh well, excuse to buy more. Which we know I love to do. Love to buy shit. Brake lever. It's gonna be a freaking kid jumps right in front of me, or a dog, or a cat. Then I'm gonna hit them or it, and I'm gonna be very upset. More upset if it's a dog or a cat. The kid, well, where were your parents? No, I don't actually believe that. That was a joke. Don't take me seriously. Just ADHD brain just doing. Oh, I cussed again, didn't I? Gosh darn it. Oh. I I'm tired now. Neutral. Okay, cool. Well, that was cool. Hope the footage turned out good. My phone is fully charged. That's nice to have. I love it. Honestly, I feel like this is a good spot for the mount. There's really not a better spot for it, for now at least. Yeah, well, that's it. We're on.